You have been identified as stealing somebody's wallet. A witness saw you drop some other lady's wallet.
I found the wallet and I dropped it.
Okay.
No, aren't you innocent until you proven guilty?
You can't have a margarita.
Please.
No, you can't have a margarita right now.
On December 5th, 2021, law enforcement at Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International Airport in Florida responded to a theft at a TSA security checkpoint, where a traveler's wallet was taken from an unattended bag in a busy terminal. The theft took less than a minute. While the victim stepped away, a suspect opened the unattended backpack, removed a $1,200 Louis Vuitton wallet, took $70 in cash, and abandoned the wallet on a terminal desk nearby. A second traveler witnessed the suspect drop the wallet and walk away. That eyewitness account would become the foundation for everything the officers did next, from the initial stop to the eventual arrest.
What happened?
I was in the bathroom. My flight's boarding right now, and I put my backpack with my wallet in here, and I was consolidating my bags. I went to the bathroom, and I left it right outside the door. She grabbed it, opened it up, took my wallet, my ID, and all my stuff out. Right there in the bathroom, like 5 seconds ago. Then I grabbed my bag and I asked everybody, did you see what happened? They're like, no. They had my wallet, they had my ID, they have everything.
Okay. Do you identify anything about them?
No, nothing. There's a Louis Vuitton wallet. My credit cards are in there. Everything. Well, somebody saw me sitting at the terminal following it.
Right, so they want us to open up the oral.
What's your name? And you said a Louis Vuitton wallet?
Yes.
Brown?
It's brown.
It's the LV logo? It's
Yes.
the logo wallet?
Yes.
How much is that?
$1,200.
Is it the billfold type or?
It's a zipper. It's zipped all the way around. It's a clutch. It's a clutch that zips around. So
It's a whole purse.
no, it's a big wallet. It's about it zips around and you open it up. Is there a camera in front of the bathroom?
There might be.
So I can't fly, can I?
So,
Do you have your boarding pass and everything?
I have my boarding. I have no ID. How do I get home?
the person that they left it next to said it should be weird.
So let me fly?
You'll have to talk to the airline.
Not the passenger, she left her wallet, and the passenger left the wallet next to ID.
What was in the wallet?
Credit cards.
I think it's probably going on. Give me a second.
Have they
Okay.
found the wallet?
Okay.
Relax. Just deal with him. Let's can't deal with this situation. Okay? Deal with him.
I'm so sorry. I'm just. The credit cards are in there. There was about $70 of cash.
List the credit cards. Visa.
I have 2 visas, 1 credit card.
The victim gave officers a precise inventory. 2 Wells Fargo Visa cards, 1 American Express, a driver's license, and $70 in cash. 3 20s and 2 5s. That level of detail would prove important. Precise documentation lets investigators establish the value of stolen property. Under Florida statute, section 812.014, theft of property worth $750 or more, but less than $20,000 is grand theft in the 3rd degree. Under Florida statute section 775.SEU82, grand theft in the third degree is a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison. The $200 wallet alone cleared the $750 threshold, apart from the cash taken from inside it.
1 debit card and an Amex.
Oh, hold on.
I have a driver's license.
Hold on. One's a Visa debit.
Visa debit. Visa credit card. Both Wells Fargo. Silver, platinum, Amex credit card.
Hold on.
$70 cash.
You know the denominations?
All brown.
You know the denominations?
Like
10, 20s.
Fives and 20s.
Do you know how many of each?
I had 3 20s and I had 2 5s. And then I had my insurance cards are in there. This is crazy. Like, so this. Sorry. To the freaking airport of all places, though. No.
You can't leave your bags unattended.
Can would the plane hold wait for me?
So when is it supposed to leave?
12:20. It leaves at 12:20.
Okay. You get time.
Yes, that's it. It's my ID.
Listen, man. Stanley, relax. If this is yours, I'm gonna give you the trade. But it happen, it can't happen around me. I'm not the hyper. Okay? Looking for a white female, white fur coat, burgundy roller bag with a white face mask. She's the one that dropped the wallet off her there in front of a different another female and just left.
So they took all my cash.
So that's what they told me. White female, white fur coat, burgundy roller bag. Now she walked this way.
She walked that way?
Yeah. They don't want me to try to pass her and see to see her. And maybe you see there's a lady, because the lady said she know for a fact who she saw. Dropped the wallet off and ran out.
Okay, who saw her drop the wallet off?
Hit it on the corner this way. You want to see her too?
Yeah.
Do you need anything else from me, sir?
If we find anybody, do you want to prosecute?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what's missing?
Just all my cash.
Just the cash, the $70?
No, I got my ID. I've got
but the $70 cash is gone?
the $70 cash is gone.
Okay.
But
right.
that's it. I'm happy at this point. Thank you, officer.
Okay. My detective will be in contact with you.
Thank you.
All right, so walking right.
White fur coat, white mask, and burgundy roller bag.
Yeah.
And she's in here?
Yeah,
Still?
drop it up, I should walk away.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Lady?
She just said she just saw somebody.
Somebody said
walk
she
through.
just saw her walk through the door.
Which door?
The one
The
that
code that we need a
door.
code for.
Leaving?
Yeah.
Is she flying?
No.
Well,
Hey.
who's the person?
What about
I'm gonna go
this?
call the passenger again.
What about that? Right there.
Let me.
Yes. It looked like her.
Her?
Yeah, if you're going with spare jacket, that,
Yeah.
that's
Is it her?
I don't know.
Hey, man. Man.
Oh, but you only take
all.
That's the question. You just flew in here?
Yeah.
Could you come with us for a second, lady?
I'm sorry.
Could you come with us for a second?
Can you have a seat over here for us,
Please,
please?
right here. Let me get the lady.
Please. Do you have any identification?
I don't know.
I'm sorry?
Yes,
Can I see it, please?
Yes, of course.
Check it out, please.
What is it all about?
Your passport?
I just want to get out of here.
Where did you just fly in from?
In California.
Okay.
I'm coming back to California.
You're going back to California?
Yeah.
From where?
From here, Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, but you just got here from California?
A week ago.
A week ago. And you're flying out to California.
Yeah. What am I getting a citation for?
You're not getting a citation. You're not getting a citation, ma'am.
So can I have my passport back?
No, not yet.
Officers broadcast the eyewitness description. A woman in a white fur coat and face mask with a burgundy roller bag. A credible eyewitness can create reasonable, articulable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio, 1968. Terry allows a brief investigative stop based on reasonable suspicion, a standard Florida codifies in its stop and frisk law, section 901.151. Officers located a matching subject and asked her to wait at the scene. This was a detention, not an arrest. Under the totality of the circumstances from Illinois versus Gates, 1983, a first-hand eyewitness carries real weight, but suspicion alone was not yet enough to take her into custody. The suspect first denied any involvement. Then her account changed. She had simply found the wallet and dropped it. That admission contradicted her first answer and corroborated the witness who saw the drop. Asked about the missing $70. The suspect produced cash and claimed it was her own. Officers declined to seize it without proof of ownership, a sound call that avoided an unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment. The suspect insisted she was innocent until proven guilty. Officers correctly explained that this principle governs a criminal trial. It does not bar a lawful field detention built on reasonable suspicion.
Positively ID.
Do you have the information?
I didn't get a time because she's running back and forth.
Okay.
Stay here. Or you want? Which one?
Well,
Would you let me to go get it?
yeah, please. If you don't mind. Name, yeah, and the contact video.
I got you. No problem.
Okay. Miss Weiss,
Yes.
did you drop a wallet?
Yes, I did.
You dropped what wallet did you drop?
This one.
No. Did you drop a brown wallet?
No, I did
You
not.
didn't?
No.
Okay, well, why is somebody telling us that you did?
No, I don't know. No way.
Why is somebody telling us that you dropped the wallet?
I don't know. This is the wallet that I dropped.
Okay. That's not what we're being told.
I don't know what I mean.
Okay.
I don't know what you're being told.
All right. 3 Bravo 20.
I need to be tomorrow at a flight at 7 o'clock. Can I have my passport back?
Not yet. She's really antsy to leave too.
I did nothing.
Ma'am?
I did nothing.
Ma'am. A witness saw you drop some other lady's wallet.
I found the wallet and I dropped it.
Okay, where's the cash out of it?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. You can search me. Search me.
What's this?
I don't know. Search me.
Hold on.
It's my money.
It's your money? You don't know that it's your money.
I know that it's my money.
How do you know that it's your money?
Because it's my money. Because it's my money.
Let me go talk to the victim, see if she wants to press charges.
Florida practice generally requires a signed victim affidavit before a charge moves forward. The victim had a flight to catch, and the suspect lived out of state in California. The victim recovered her wallet and identification, accepting that the $70 in cash was not recoverable for now. She agreed to return that Friday to sign the affidavit and help the detectives' investigation. The detention continued while officers worked. The suspect grew agitated and repeatedly asked to leave. A temporary hold supported by reasonable suspicion is lawful, and officers need not release a suspect on demand. The case turned on the video. A duty detective reviewed airport surveillance and saw the suspect enter the restroom just after the victim, then place an item from her bag onto a terminal desk, the stolen wallet. That footage raised the standard from reasonable suspicion to probable cause, the Fourth Amendment threshold for a custodial arrest under Beck versus Ohio. Eyewitness, admission, and video now pointed the same way. After receiving Miranda warnings, the suspect gave a full confession. Because the warnings came before custodial questioning. The statement came before custodial questioning and corroborated by the under Section Simpson. The suspect was charged with grand theft in the third degree under Section 812.014, a felony carrying up to 5 years. She later pleaded guilty to a reduced charge of petty theft, receiving fines only. with no jail time. The first lesson is about awareness. Never leave a bag of bad unattended in a busy public space, even for a moment. The entire theft at this checkpoint was completed in under a minute, while the victim briefly stepped away. The second lesson is about documentation. The victim's precise record of her property, down to the exact cash denominations, helped officers establish the value that pushed this theft over the felony threshold. The third lesson is about surveillance. And absurdity, airport cameras proved decisive, and basically in probable cause, supporting a confession and securing a conviction even after the victim left. But the fourth lesson is legal. A detention is not an arrest at. Officers may hold them briefly a specific but they need probable cause, a higher standard, before making a full custodial arrest of a suspect. A final lesson of innocence writes, the presumption of innocence is real, but it protects a defendant at trial. It does not require officers to release a suspect who is lawfully detained during an active investigation. The responding officers earn an A- for a lawful evidence-driven response from detention to arrest. The suspect earns a D for the theft itself and for repeated statements that worked against her own interest. The victim earns a B, helped by precise documentation, but hurt by leaving the bag untended. The airport agency earns an A- for sound procedure, comprehensive use of surveillance, and a resolution without force.